Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today I'm going to show you guys how I sublimated on these sequin pillows that are currently available in my online store. I have everything I used in the description box below. If you liked the video and you learned something new, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.
Alright guys, to begin this tutorial, we'll start off in Canva. So that'll be canva.com. We'll go over here to create a design. And for this project, I'm going to use 11 by 17 paper. So I'll just go ahead and enter my custom dimensions. Okay, so now that I have my working space, I'll just go ahead over to my uploads and insert the image that I want to use for this project. Okay, so now I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit to fill the paper. And we're not going to forget to flip it. Oops, scoot that over. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and save this as a PNG and then we'll print. Change my paper size to tabloid. Make sure it's on premium presentation matte. And then we'll go ahead and hit print.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do before we press is flip all the sequins to the white side. And some of them are a little more stubborn than others, so you have to like flip them individually. Once all the sequins are on the white side, we'll go ahead and lay our image down, cover with some butcher paper, and press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, and here's the big reveal. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I love when a project comes out perfect. I just really love how the colors are coming through on this project. And this is what happens when you flip the sequins back and forth. And not only can you sub on the front, you can also sub on the back of this pillowcase as well, okay? So you just want to make sure that you lint roll it super well. And you'll go ahead and face your image down, cover with butcher paper, press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds again. And your project's complete. So you guys make sure you head over to the website, me-jstewartslaboratory.com. Grab you one of these sequin pillowcases. I have several colors available. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.